Frameless setting for fancy shaped diamonds, grooving, drilling, dusting, cupping, post holes, sanding, all handled by one machine. Can your equipment do this? Watch how it's done properly. A multifunctional frameless drill. Drilling, edging, grooving, stone setting. Does your machine do this? Lindbergh-style vertical holes. See for yourself. Flawless vertical drilling. Can your equipment achieve this? Precision powder application. Can your machine manage it? Clean, neat, symmetrical. Does your setup deliver? Submerged hinge drilling. Can you execute this? Crisp execution. Fast internal drilling with precision. Direct hinge embedding technology. Can your tools do this? Integrated drilling. Does your rig handle it? Surgical precision. Zero error execution. Flawless results. Can your gear deliver? Want perfect craftsmanship? It demands proper tools. True Lindbergh-style vertical holes require industrial-grade equipment. Your home gear won't cut it. Mirror symmetrical powder application. See this perfected result. Hinge channel integration. Want this capability? Come get professional results.